Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to sync messages on your iPhone or iPad. So you need to do this on both devices. Just go to settings right here. Scroll all the way up and go to your name. Once you find your name, we can go on down to where it says iCloud. So if you have iCloud turned on, you only have 5 gigabytes. So if you have photos turned on, you probably hit this limit already. So you have to disable and delete your photos. But we can go to see all right here. And we can just turn off our photos, but we can go to keep and download originals before we do that if we hit our maximum. But if we go on down here, we have the options for messages in iCloud. We could just turn this on, and we have to set our iPad with iMessages. So if you get a message on your iPhone, it will also show up on your iPad. So they'll be synced together by setting up iMessages. Just go to your iMessages settings on your iPad, and then just make sure this setting is turned on for iMessages on your iPhone as well. So we could back out on the left side here. If we go on over to where it says apps under the main category, and then we go on down to messages on your iPhone, there will be an option for iMessages. Just turn it on. Now on your iPad, it does not appear there's an option for that right now, but on your iPhone there will be. Turn on iMessages, turn on iCloud Sync, and you should be good to go. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.